Hi, my name is Nayantara, and we are going to be discussing mergers and acquisitions. So, I am a mergers and acquisitions lawyer and have been for the last 17 years. I've seen a lot of deals, so I do believe that I can guide you understanding the practical difficulties and the practical steps you can actually take to understand the merger, if not be part of a live transaction. Types of mergers. So basically, it's one business merging with another business of the same kind, for example, an HR business merging with an HR business. Then there are businesses that actually overtake a certain section of another business. Then there is an acquisition, which is where one company takes over a part of another company to make it into a larger business. An acquisition can also be just acquiring a stake or the shareholding of a business, because that smaller business requires funding or money. A non-disclosure agreement is signed. After this, whatever has been discussed in terms of commercials and basic legal rights or legal responsibilities are captured in a term sheet. Once the term sheet is signed, there is a due diligence that is conducted by the acquiring company of the target company to make sure that they are legally safe. So there can be a legal due diligence, a financial due diligence, a tax due diligence, a technical due diligence. And now, because every business has gone digital, it is also a digital due diligence that can be conducted.